Hello guys, this is Juice Tech Entertainment here, and in today's video we will be trying to fix the DNS prod error. As you can see, I am unable to access any websites using my browser, so without any further ado, let's get started. Type in network connection in the Windows 10 search box. Right click on your wireless adapter and select Properties. Find out Internet Protocol version 4 and click on it. Check Use the following DNS server address and set the preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8. The problem has been resolved and you can carry on with a happy browsing.